Hey guys, welcome to Tutti Foodie, where we'll be showing you some of the best recipes for you to try. If you love cooking, you're in the right place.
With some ground turkey, I'm adding 2 eggs. This is about a half of an onion chopped up really small, a half can of tomato soup, about a 1/4 cup of ketchup. I don't measure here, I just kind of throw it in. And then 1 cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, if you call it that. That's how I say it. Then you're just going to mix it all together till it's pretty well combined. Add a little salt and pepper for taste. I like a little more salt than pepper. And then, again, just mix it really well. If you need to mix it with your hands, that's okay. Alright, I sprayed my meatloaf pan with cooking spray and then I just added it right into the pan. Then you're just going to press it down the best that you can. Try and make it as flat as possible. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of sauce on top. So I have another tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a half cup of brown sugar, and then the rest of the can of the tomato soup. Now this is the special thing with my grandma's recipe. Put this sauce on top. It is delicious. So then I just pour the whole thing over and spread it out the best that I can. Now before you prep this, remember to heat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you're going to bake it for about 90 minutes. It will bubble a little on the sides, get a little crispy, but it is so good that way. Inside is so good. Now, the good thing about this recipe, if you have a busy day coming up and you need to cook it and then stick it in the refrigerator, it's good the second and third day too. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you here. If you need more dinner ideas, make sure to check out our other videos.
Hey guys, if you want to discover the secret recipes from your favorite restaurants, check the link down below. Thank you for watching.